no princes or princesses were elected.
Box cover, this is Duttyberry and welcome to another review video. So now this time I will be reviewing the Prime Minister's swearing in ceremony because you guys have asked for it, and I have to say that I really appreciate you guys watching all of my election 2020 videos from the nomination day right down to the election day. I really appreciate it. If you haven't, make sure to go and look at all of those videos. So anyhow, let's jump into the swearing in ceremony. Well, that is for the countdown.
Box cover.
Alright, so there I was at home now, completely forgot about the Prime Minister, well, the pending Prime Minister's swearing in. So anyway, my friend called me now and told me, say, yo, run over on the live. And so I went on YouTube and started to watch it.
It's the third time that Andrew Holness will be sworn in as Prime Minister.
So there now, I guess Milton Walker them in a studio now, and they decided to throw over to Janella Precious. To Janella, you know what? To Janella. Alright.
Thank you so much, Milton. Well, just to add to the conversation.
Alright, so Janella dead here and she adore like hosting and beer things and but the mask which she have on her face never want her to be great. All she try to carry it over her nose, it keep on a drop down. So she fling it up so it come right down.
Minister Olivia Grange, who is part of the planning committee planning today's inauguration. Well, else can they view this online?
They can
let it say where it is, you know.
If we never know better, mother thinks that our mask is a dancehall queen. Now, can we talk about how the legendary Miss Olivia Babsy Grange come out in her frock?
One thing with me now, when my cuteness ready to come out, nothing can stop it.
No, honestly, you know, say Miss Babsy Grange, a big woman, you know, a long time she in politics. But when I look on her as like old and frumpy, it's like when I look on Babsy Grange, she just come like a general. I just know her like say she the Prime Minister's Olivia Pope. You know, it really makes sense that she have the first name there for Trudeau. It look like it's a little Olivia thing, like it just have a little general thing in there.
And so today, what you will have in the ballroom.
Worse with the name Babsy, she just come like, you know, like them big woman there with the on the lane where have like the hottest cook shop. Babsy's box food. Miss Babsy's chicken and things. Where I go? So anyway, now Minister Olivia Grange, she's there now and she talk because I guess she did put on the whole ceremony for the swearing in. And at some point in there now, she go make a little quick little mistake now, a little verbal typo. I don't know if something goes about here, I can just work with it. So she made a verbal typo and then proceeded to quickly autocorrect herself. Yeah, man.
Prime Minister, his two children, Mrs. Holness, as well as the Prime Minister's parents.
Wow! Oh my God, I think the scariest thing happened to me from week.
So anyway, the PM arrived and you know, sanitizer all of them look something there.
We have the Prime Minister, Andrew Holness, arriving, being given a rag to sanitize.
And then now, I guess it was time for everything to really start. So then now them gonna have a Seventh-day Adventist pastor by the name of Pastor Brown to go and do the opening prayer.
Divine architect of our democracy.
No, I do not know why the TVJ cameraman decided to keep big Zoom meeting in the pastor face.
We invite you to lead and guide.
So I'm not gonna lie, people, boy, oh boy, the prayer here was a big epistle. It was the living definition of my word, my sentence, my paragraph, my essay, my biblioteca.
Confidence and hope of a better tomorrow.
One eternity later.
We place before you in prayer the people of Jamaica.
Somebody can't bring me go somewhere.
At one point, the cameraman I'll catch Mr. Holness a doze off and then jump up back right as an hear name.
Andrew Michael Holness and his wife, the most honorable Juliet Holness, and their
No, sir, due to how this prayer was long, me think so they would have find the cure for corona before the prayer done. Babsy start those.
partiality and integrity in service.
Former Prime Minister Bruce Golding I'll get fed up.
A servant leader who will be true and honest.
And Dr. Armstrong start for wonder.
Potential under God. Loving Lord, we pray for all.
And the way Christopher Tufton I'll get bored in the prayer, him all find chores forgive himself.
of this nation. Remember, sovereign God, the sacrifice and commitment.
Oh wow, no, all of this and the prayer still a go on.
Help us, righteous God.
No, why this look like one chessboard? But you know which minister was very focused in all of the prayer? You guessed it, Dr. Nigel Clark.
And may your kingdom be established in our hearts.
No, you just can't tell, so him used to be a teacher's pet. So then, the prayer finally ended. And then same time now, I feel like a little special spirit start for just kind of go around the place. I say, wait, what is?
Ladies and gentlemen, the Governor General,
It's like say somebody was about to go and make a grand entrance.
Who is it? Who is it? Who is it? Who is it?
Out of box foot, that is Miss Juliet Holness and her 2 kids.
welcome address.
I just wanted to pop up here and show y'all how I'm doing.
No, wow, this is a rare moment, you know. It's like as you see them today, right after that it's just take for yourself. By the next time we see them 2 youth here, them start to collect pension.
You know what can't live there?
So alright, look on the picture here. This is from the last time when them just get sworn in. I know this is them now. Wanna start feel old yet? Wanna feel old yet?
Don't ask me that, man. Don't you dare ask me that.
So up next was the Governor General, Sir Patrick Allen. No lie, boy, oh boy, I only hear Faye Ellington, big up Faye Ellington on the side to give this man one big epistle of an introduction. I never know say so much title the brother have.
The Governor General, His Excellency, the Most Honorable Sir Patrick Linton Allen, Member of the Order of the Nation, Knight Grand Cross of the Most Distinguished Order of St. Michael and St. George, Commander of the Order of Distinction, Member of the Order of St. John of Jerusalem, will now give the welcome address.
Jerusalem. The man have more title than a Jamaican friend.
Man, I ask Christ.
Bro, brother, broski, malinky, my dopes, my general, hombre, dog, thugs, badman, killy, dan, boss. Alright, I eat that. I can't name no more. And then also get a nice little close-up of Miss Juliet Holness. No, I'm not gonna lie, Juliet, you look very opulent right here, so.
Dear wife, who makes her own contribution to national development while providing the support for...
No, this is how you show up after you done win back your seat and your Aussie work contract get extended. So now after the Governor General finally done that, now it's like I realize like him nearly make a little mistake, you know. I'm gonna say God bless America, but him catch himself and reverse it.
Their undertakings. God bless you and God bless all of Jamaica, land we love.
So then now Andrew Holness was introduced
to the Most Honorable Andrew Michael Holness, ON, MP.
He was sworn in and everything.
General will now invite Prime Minister-designate, the Most Honorable Andrew Holness, to take and subscribe the oath of allegiance and the oath of office.
I'm gonna get like hungry now, somewhere I'm going to the kitchen, go make one like a sandwich, and when me come back now and look on the screen, me I feel wonder if it's a memorial service that me I pray.
That I will be faithful and bear true allegiance to Jamaica, that I will uphold and defend the...
And the picture at the back on the wall, it never did help at all, like boy. Then now it was time for a special performance, because you know, say Prime Minister, every now and then him like for have a nice little, you know, a little singer, artist go up there for come do them thing when he might get sworn in. I think the last time him did have Nesbeth, when Nesbeth did have My Dream, and this time now him gonna bring in Kevin Downswell, gospel artist Kevin Downswell. Now one thing with Kevin Downswell, you know, it's like if he's going to show up, he is going to give you a suit.
Because I'm from God, I'm rich.
No, when you look on Kevin's suit then, you will believe that God can turn water into wine.
Almighty God!
When I see Kevin's suit, it's like same time I remember my primary school double space book. You know them little notebook the way you stuff here, right? And I practice your penmanship.
Okay,
Then them get down and I'm singing them and you say all them a sing and them a go on with them I notes them. If you just look into the top right hand corner, you know who a belt out. Well, I don't know if I can say they are belt out notes no, but I'm not gonna lie now.
The one who made...
When you look on Tony Adore sign language, you know, it's a fair gesticulative range, it's not normal. You can't tell me such a sign that I know them too.
We're chasing no other.
But I never mind it because all of this makes sense. Because for any one of us who used to go into church, we know say a regular, you know, them have the sign language part, you know, in that little church service. Even when nobody in the congregation are really deaf or nothing like that. But we just do it in a church for the presentation. The only thing Tony need now is we just go put on the little white glove them. And then it was now time for the Prime Minister, Andrew Holness, to go and give his speech.
Governor General, the Most Honorable Sir Patrick Allen.
Wait, hold on. Close up right now. Do not tell me, say, Andrew Holness and have waving him here. No, come on. No? Alright, come through, Prime Minister. Okay? Yeah, go home.
The impact of the COVID-19 pandemic is ubiquitous in our daily life.
Ubiquitous. Wow. Can I have the meaning, please? Hey Siri, define ubiquitous.
Ubiquitous means present, appearing, or found everywhere.
Oh, that means so you wicked girl, ubiquitous.
Them girl, them wicked.
Him touch my arrogance.
It is about the people.
You rule, you want, you come first.
No princes or princesses were elected. You have no divine right or entitlement.
Well.
Yeah, man, honestly, like the little line there, I know, honestly, everybody who watched the ceremony would need to hold the administration accountable for all of them things here. Him went on for touch on the whole low voter turnout.
We commit to make this government the highest in integrity, dignity, and efficiency.
No, you see one thing with the Prime Minister Andrew Holness, you see if he drops a gem, if he drops a bar, he is going to be a catalyst for him on a forward.
And efficiency.
You didn't, huh? Did you just clap?
No, it is the look up for me, and the look up for me, it'll kill me.
Dignity and efficiency.
Can I get a round of applause?
This is the reaction that the PM wanted.
Dignity and efficiency.
So Imalgo mentioned said there's going to be a whole reform of customs.
Competitiveness by reforming customs.
When? Which part of our time?
This is the box food part that I wish it didn't create the whole entire pause for. This did need some forward. This did need some big excitement because this is a bar. No, honestly, like he continued to give him speech, but you see at every moment where him feel like him supposed to get the applause, him stop and look out for the people them.
This will help our economy recover stronger.
No, honestly, I need to start with this in my personal life. I'm going to start putting out 5 videos a week. Mr. Andrew Holness ended up at one point trained the audience so well that he no longer had to look up and wait for the applause. Him just saw him and say, pause, and them just know the drill.
And have a fair and equal opportunity to access tertiary education.
Ever since I was born, I've been trained to serve you.
He mentioned say mga have like free Wi-Fi zones, and when him said them like something there, you know, say that all young people love to hear because we're tired to catch up on people front gate and wait for a little Wi-Fi. But want to know so we can in some nice little central areas, and we have to batter to tell a friend them so we not after 3 now.
All town centers will be serviced with free Wi-Fi.
You're serious? I don't know why I appreciate this little shot of when, you know, the Prime Minister talk and hear some people are clap, but his 2 sons weren't applauding. I just found it so relatable because, you know, what tell me is that how everybody I look on this and I see him as, oh, the great Andrew Holness, but him son just I look on him like, oh God, Daddy, Jesus Christ, why Daddy carry go work? Oh my God, I could be at my home doing nothing, but here I am at my daddy's workplace. Oh my God, I can't wait for this to be over with.
Someone nice.
Wait, hold on. Can I get a close-up of Miss Holness's shoes? So then now the Prime Minister finished his speech, and you know, Faye Ellington announced that it was now time for the chorale. And let me just tell you this, you know, I used to be on a choir back in the day, and when I saw this moment, I just feel like I needed to be a part of it as well.
Thank you for your presence and participation in this significant national event. Good afternoon.
You see, honestly, I just love, let me just tell you something about Faye Ellington. Faye Ellington has been doing these things, the voice over, for all of these little government functions for years now. And she does it so well. To the point where I just feel like I want Faye Ellington to narrate my life one day. She just need to narrate my life one day. Okay, good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Now, on screen, you are seeing the baddest YouTuber of them all. He goes by the name of Dutty Berry, but his birth name is actually Rashane Berry. Now, he usually dances in his social media countdown to the rhythmic beat of African hip-hop as well as contemporary R&B music. He is a vibrant personality that boasts over... Yo, honestly, that was so hard doing off the top of my head. Okay, so that is it for the Prime Minister swearing in ceremony. That is it for my review. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, please hit the thumbs up button as well as to turn on the post notification to leave a comment down below. Okay, come on, for me like on the top. As well as to just subscribe for the new people on the channel. Okay, follow me right here so on my social media. And that is it. Let me know what you want me to talk about. I'm planning to drop a new social media countdown. So yeah, let me know in the comments what you want me to address. Okay, peace out until the next review. Bye-bye.
Mm-hmm.